In this video, we'll see question 2 of exercise 8.2, chapter 8, Trigonometry. The question is, choose the correct option and justify your choice. First question, 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30 is equal to option A sin 60, option B cos 60, option C tan 60 and option D sin 30. We'll solve the first sum. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. We know tan 30 is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square. 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by 3, 2 by root 3 divided by 4 by 3, cancelling 2's, which is equal to 3 by root 3 into 1 by 2, which gives us root 3 by 2, which is equal to sin 60. So, this option A. Second question, 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45 is equal to, tan 45 is 1, so it is 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45, which is equal to 1 minus 1 square by 1 plus 1 square. 1 minus 1 is 0, which is equal to 0. This is option D. So next question is, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. True when angle A is equal to which degree? Option A 0, B 30, C 45, D 60. Let's put the options in the question and see. Given sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. Let us put angle A is equal to 0. Sin into 2 into 0 is equal to sin 0, which is equal to 0. 2 sin 0 is equal to 2 into 0 is equal to 0. So the equation is true for the first option itself. Let us consider the second option also. When it is 30 degrees, sin 60 is equal to 2 into sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled and it is 1. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So it is not the option. So option A is the answer. Fourth question, 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30 is equal to 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square is equal to 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by root 3 divided by 2 by 3. We will get root 3, which is equal to tan 60. This is an option C. So these are the answers. Thank you.